much happier actually. It's not too bad. The Buckle. Dad drove us in his white Triumph Herald to the Buckle, that now stands as a private dwelling on the bend of Marine Parade. He bought us pints of beer as it was an excursion in which he hoped to be closer to his sons. The day was summer, and the sea glittered with white-coloured sails rowed on its choppy surface. His exercise and togetherness didn't last, as we soon went our separate ways. But the memory saddens me as the Buckle and Dad are long gone, and Jeff and I are estranged, while Mum sits back from the beach waiting for her end. Time does heal, just by taking us onwards.